Ever dream of sleeping and earning money? If we told you there were 20 easy ways to create a consistent income stream without sacrificing your daily profession or going broke, would you be interested? Indeed, this has nothing to do with complex plans or lottery winning. We are delving into practical, beginner-friendly passive income ideas for 2025 that will help you put cash in hand. Stay around since these ideas might be the change you have been looking for. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. Imagine getting paid each time someone views your video, even while you sleep. The YouTube channel is magical in this sense. Starting calls for neither costly tools nor editing knowledge. Share something you are enthusiastic about, such as cooking, gaming, or simply basic life tips using your smartphone or laptops. The secret is to emphasize creating evergreen videos that remain topical and garner years of consistent views. The best thing is that your channel can become a fully functioning income source with ad money, brand sponsorships, and affiliate links. But suppose you didn't wish to be on camera. No concern at all. We'll go over a couple of choices moving forward that allow you to remain behind the scenes and yet generate income. Number 2. Design and market digital goods. Imagine if you could make something once and then repeatedly market it. Digital things are beautiful in that regard. Consider ebooks, calendars, templates, even online art. Sites like Etsy and Gumroad make uploading your goods quite simple and enable quick start sales. Not artistic? Relax. You might start with free tools like Canva or use freelancers to assist with the design of your product. The finest thing is, once your product is running, maintenance is either minimal or non-existent. And if you're wondering what other passive income you should consider, stay closely to unveil more. Number 3. Own dividend stocks. You might be surprised to learn your money can create money on its own. One excellent way to accomplish this is with dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying companies will let you get consistent rewards only for stock ownership. Apps like Robinhood and Webull let you invest just a few dollars, even if your initial budget is minimal. And the best thing about it? As you reinvest these dividends over time, they may rise, like tending to a money tree and seeing it grow. Let's now consider other methods for generating passive income devoid of any stock market involvement. Number 4. Lease a property or spare room. Did you own an empty property or spare room? You can make it a consistent flow of passive money. Short-term rental listings on websites like Airbnb or Vrbo make it simple and start you making money. You can be creative even without owning any land. Some homeowners let campers rent their parking lot, storage area, or even a backyard. This income will continue to flow months after month with some initial work. And don't worry, there's a choice coming up that's even more hands-off, if handling rentals seems too much effort. Number 5. Create a blog. One can find a lot of passive money from a blog. Using advertisements, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing, you may monetize anything you're passionate about: travel, food, fashion, or technology. Blogging is beautiful in that once you publish your entries, they still draw attention and create money long after they're written. Building an audience takes time, but over time, a blog can start to be a consistent source of income given the correct material. Let's now turn to a more imaginative approach to passive income. Number 6. Establish an online course. Making an online course could be a fantastic approach to make passive money if you're knowledgeable in a topic. Uploading and selling your course to a worldwide audience is simple using sites like Udemy and Teachable. Once your course becomes online, you have little to do. Even while you sleep, customers buying and enrolling in your course will keep you making money. There's a market for practically anything, from cuisine to photography to language instruction. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Another approach to make your money work is peer-to-peer lending. Using sites like Lending Club or Prosper, you lend money to people or small companies rather than conventional banks. You get loan interest in exchange. The best aspect is that the platform manages much of the process. You may decide how much risk you are ready to accept and profit passively with little participation. Number 8. Market video or photograph sale. If you enjoy filmmaking or photography, you can begin marketing your work on stock sites like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. You collect a royalty every time someone buys your picture or video. You don't have to be a professional photographer. Simply concentrate on producing top-notch photographs or videos suitable for websites, ads, or blogs. Your material can be sold repeatedly after it is submitted. Number 9. License your music. Licensing your music can be a fantastic way for all the musicians out there to generate passive money. Audio Jungle or Epidemic Sound lets you upload your music and get paid each time someone uses it for a project. For individuals who already have a ready-made music collection, this could be a fantastic choice since you can keep earning it from the same tracks long after you've bought them. Number 10. Affiliate marketing. This is so perfect for beginners. Affiliate marketing is among the most often used strategies for generating passive income. Every time someone purchases something using a special affiliate link, you get paid a commission for advertising goods or services. A blog could have affiliate links, the YouTube videos or social media feeds. The secret is to choose items that fit the interests of your readers, therefore benefiting all those engaged. If you are enjoying this great useful points to this extent, kindly like and subscribe to our channel as we unveil more ideas. Number 11. Develop a mobile app. Did you know something about app creation? You may design one and begin to passively make money from adverts, in-app sales, subscriptions. There are many tools and developers available, even if you cannot code, to assist you in realizing your vision. Once your app is on the App Store, it can keep making money without much help. The secret is to create something people would continue to use over time, something either practical or entertaining. Number 12. Buy and lease vending machines. Though they look antiquated, vending machines are nevertheless an excellent way to create passive money. Once you have bought your machines and filled them with well-liked snacks or beverages, you can relax and gather the money as consumers make purchases from them. Maintaining them in good functioning order and stocking them is the sole continuous chore. Hence, this is one of the low-maintenance sources of revenue available. Number 13. Write a book. If you enjoy writing, releasing a book or an ebook could be a great source of side money. Your book is on sale around the clock once it is written and released. Sites like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing simplify book publication without involving a conventional publisher. People will keep buying your book long after it's published, generating continuous royalties, whether it's a book on how-to, a guide, or a novel. Number 14. Make real estate crowdfunding investments. Real estate does not have to be beyond grasp. Real estate crowdfunding sites like Fundrise or Realty Mogul let you make modest real estate investment in projects. You get some of the rental income or profits, and these sites pool money from investors to finance commercial buildings. Without having to own a real estate outright, this is an easy approach to start making passive money from it. Number 15. Establish a membership site. Creating a membership site can help you to leverage the audience you have developed on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media into a consistent stream of money. To access exclusive materials including webinars, behind-the-scenes movies, or downloadable downloads, people pay a monthly charge. For those with a devoted following, this is a terrific choice, since once the material is online and members are registered, income rolls in automatically. Number 16. Purchase and keep cryptocurrency. Although cryptocurrencies can be erratic, hanging on to popular coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum could provide long-term passive income. Purchasing and maintaining these digital assets will either generate interest on your holdings via some crypto platforms or passive income via appreciation in value. Just be wary, the market swings. Before jumping in, think about spreading your crypto funds and completing extensive study. Number 17. Design a dropshipping subscription box. Dropshipping by itself is already a fantastic passive revenue source. But what if you twisted things? A developing trend are subscription boxes. Monthly memberships allow curating goods for a particular market, such as book buffs or health snacks. Regular income. Once the box is set up and promoted, you can automate the process and distribute boxes to consumers, generating a consistent income without doing the labor-intensive tasks. Number 18. Lease your camera equipment. Should you have premium camera equipment, you might rent it to videographers or photographers working on temporary assignments. ShareGrid and other sites let you post your rental-worthy equipment. This is a fantastic method to make money out of the equipment you just seldom use. Beyond just noting your tools and scheduling pickups, it takes very little work. You can make money every time someone hires it. Number 19. License your ideas. If you have a great concept or invention, think about licensing it to businesses instead of manufacturing and marketing it yourself. Companies handle all manufacturing, marketing, and distribution. Licensing lets you get royalties every time your idea is sold if you have a distinctive product idea, but want not to run a company around it. This can be a very appealing choice. Number 20. Rent your car. Renting out your automobile will help you earn money without much work if you have one that you hardly use every day. Turo and other services let you put your car for rent so others may use it when you're not driving. Your schedule will determine the availability and rates. Once the car is advertised, you'll be paid every time someone leases it. It's a simple approach to make an asset underused profitable. There is something for everyone, whether your goal is to diversify your present income sources or just starting. Starting small, keeping consistent, and letting your investments increase over time are the secrets to success with passive income. Remember, it's all about making the upfront effort so that you may subsequently enjoy the benefits. Which of these concepts would you like to test? Leave a comment below. We would be happy to learn what you believe and which one piques your curiosity. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to avoid missing out on further advice on creating your financial future. Thank you for watching.